I'm the IT director.
It's okay.
Hello, I'm Jonathan C. I'm one of the directors of A1 Global TV. I'd just like to say a few things about family. My father studied natural sciences at Cambridge University, and I learnt a great deal from him. My mother was a fashion artist, and I picked up artistic skills from her, and I also have a daughter who is my perfect princess, and I think all people's daughters are their perfect princess, but all daughters are equal, and I have learnt from my own daughter, and she's made me a better person. And I would, rather than sing a song, I'd like to read Psalm 23 from the Bible. The Lord is my shepherd. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He leadeth me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen.